So yo guys, what's up? Ryan Skating out here with another video today. Today will be the how to backside disaster on the quarter pipe. That will be the tutorial video for that today. But yeah. So I'm gonna get into that a little bit later. If you wanna go watch that, go to that time right there. And if you're gonna stick around for the vlog, then just stay tuned. So right now I think I'm just gonna try like a bunch of airs, and I'm definitely gonna work on the rail a little bit. Trying to get those board slides 270s a lot better. So gonna try that front side and back side. So yeah, but let's get into the video. I'm gonna start with the airs first. Hopefully I just made some progression there, especially on the quarter pipe. May not look like it, but I am grabbing onto the board. It's really hard to see. I tried to switch up the angle one time, but you couldn't really see it at all. But anyways, I'm making progression. It doesn't look the best, but you know, at least I'm getting better at them. It was really fun skating the kicker today, doing some airs on that, especially that ollie indie grab. That was a lot of fun. So yeah. Yeah, I might have said that I'm gonna skate the rails, but I don't really feel it today. I'm getting pretty close to pressure flip, so I'm gonna try those now. Okay, long story short, I could not figure it out. I got really close the one time, and then I just couldn't even get close. After about like 20 minutes, I was just like, I'll just try this a different day. I'm not really getting anywhere close anymore, so. But anyways, let's get into the main point of the video. Alright guys, so essentially how you want to do this trick is basically, it's technically a back 180 on the coping, but as long as you know how to kick turn, you can probably just kick turn and power slide a little bit into it. As you can see with mine, I don't ollie at all. Now when I was first learning this trick, I definitely did use an ollie, and it was a lot harder than doing it with just kick turn and a little bit of power slide. So it just took a little bit of trial and error, just, you know, getting used to it, just sliding a lot, and then it's gonna take you guys some time to, you know, feel comfortable getting into it, I'd say. And feel comfortable, like, you know, just coming back into it, switch, rock the fakie if you don't know how to do this. But essentially, I think you can do this once you've dropped in and can kick turn on a quarter pipe. Make sure you guys are kick turning and doing a power slide, because if you just try and kick turn, you're not going to get all the way there, because you need a little tiny bit of power slide with it, just so that you get yourself over it. And yeah. If you want to slide it more, make sure that your front foot is a little further back. Some of them I decided to slide and I put my front foot back. Some of them I decided not to. And yeah. But anyways, guys, I'm going to try a backside flip disaster. So I was trying this the other day. Could not land it. Tried it for about like 20 minutes maybe. But I was late to meet up with my friends. So I was like, you know what? I'll just do this a different day. And I'm gonna do it today. I just left like 3 tricks or whatever on the rail, but hopefully I can get this one, and I'm not leaving it, so yeah. Everything will be okay, everything will be okay. Music tells me who to blame, but I think that it's fake. Everything will be okay, everything Alrighty guys, I think that's going to be it for today's video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, leave a comment down below on the video if you enjoyed it. I'm going to start trying to get earlier and earlier starts. Just decided to chill out at the skate park today just because, you know, it was fun and I just kind of wanted a chill day. And yeah, I got one and I learned a lot of new tricks and just kind of chilled out. So yeah. So as I said before, make sure you guys like, subscribe, leave a comment down below on the video if you enjoyed it. And yeah, peace out. Science is fun, guys, you know. North Pole, Santa Claus lives there.